Hi, this is John from Apollo Sprayers. Today we're going to talk about the tension on the fan control ring and how to correct it. So let's get started. So sometimes with the 7500 spray gun, when you replace the nozzle, the tension on the fan control ring in the front of the gun can get a little tight or sometimes a little loose. There's a very easy fix for this. The first thing we need to do is start by taking out the needle from the gun. So let's remove the material adjustment screw from the back of the gun, along with the stainless steel spring. Pull the trigger and pull the needle out through the back of the gun. The next thing we'll want to do is remove the air cap ring, which will take off the air cap and the ring itself. Next, take your wrench and loosen the nozzle and remove the nozzle. Then you're going to take the air distributor and remove the air distributor. So inside the center of the air distributor, which is right here, there's a little seal. And so if you take the screwdriver end of your wrench and just pop that seal out, this is a pretty tough seal. It's made of Delrin, so it's not going to fall apart real easy. And on the back side of the seal, there's a thin edge, and on the top side of the seal, there's a thicker edge. You probably can't see this in the video, but when you get apart at home yourself, you should be able to see it very easily. The thin edge on the seal needs to be pushed into the air distributor first, so that you have the larger, wider edge towards the top. Then I take my thumbs and I just push that in to where it's flush. And you want it to be flush with the surface of the air distributor, so that when you push the nozzle in, the nozzle is actually going to push this seal down into the air distributor and put the tension on the ring. So once we've pushed the seal back in with our fingers, nice and flush, so we can go ahead and reassemble the gun. So remember, you want to line everything up with the pin that's down in the lower corner. And what I do is stick that in there, rotate that around, and get that located into where it's sitting in the right spot. Then add your nozzle. And just snug that up with the wrench. Again, you don't need to over tighten it, just a little bit. But once you've done that and tightened the wrench, you should now feel that the tension on the ring is perfect. So then we just reassemble the air cap and the ring. Insert the needle and the spring and the material adjustment screw, and that's it. So this should only be necessary when you're actually changing sizes of needles and nozzles. This concludes the fan control adjustment.